Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Born and raised in the SA, barbecuing the back with the kids. Hey, hey, we all fam, different walks the same. If you're down to ride a straight boogie to the morning, on the side we hit the grind. Hustle, stack, whatever, good time. Look after the fans, enjoy the sunshine. If you feel the vibe, you know it's chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Hey, to the top with my whole team. Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Hey, to the top with my whole team.
Sipping on a Sunday, it's a fun day. Carrying the good vibe through to the Monday. Heated by the sun rays, my favorite getaway. Every day's a good day when it feels like a holiday. The vibe so high, we're feeling a million miles away. Thank you God for blessing me with a lovely day. Oh yes, I'm blessed to the bone, cause we don't let no bad vibe in our home. But we barbecue and cruising, you know how we do it. We been feeling good to the sound of the music. Kicking with the crew, having a brew or two. And I cannot forget about the delicious food. So come on girl, can't you see? Jump in the car, come vibe with me. It be the R to the is A, M to the is I. I'll stay high when I ride on the MI.
On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Ayy, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Ayy, this is summer jam, I say it loud. Bounce to the vibe by room and proud. Ayy, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Ayy, this is summer jam, I say it loud. Bounce to the vibe by room and proud. Ayy, 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 ayy.
What we do here for the community is good, man.
Big shout out to Q League supporting this carnival. Why not, man? It's the first one, so first of many.
The Pacific Island community can appreciate, you know, for Q League to come into play and be the major sponsor for today's carnival is, you know, it's definitely gone unnoticed without the community. So, you know, props and hats off to the Q League community for jumping on board.
What club did you play for, local?
Oh, local footy, I was playing at Gooden Eagles. Yeah, if you know Gooden Eagles, we're the best team at Mad Mondays.
Oh yeah! Do you have an NRL team you follow?
Yeah, it's a tough one. I go for South Sydney Rabbitohs. Yeah, we just lost the finals, but
sorry, but it's alright, man. It's
2022, we're coming back.
No, it's good because, you know why? For the Panthers, it's good for the Samoan Blues, man.
Yeah, I agree. They're good fellas, those blokes.
Do you have an NRL team you follow?
I do. I'm a staunch Rabbitohs fan, South Sydney, so yeah.
When you were singing the national anthem, it hit me, man. Yeah, it was really good.
Awesome. That's what it's supposed to do, brother. Yeah. Hey, and when the nation gets behind you and starts singing as well, it's of course, it gets emotional, even for me as well. So I feel you, brother. Awesome.
Yeah. Do you have an NRL team you follow?
Parramatta.
Oh, come on, also. I'm so proud seeing you here for the community, man.
Man, that's what I'm all about. All about giving back to the community. Because that's what's got me to the point I'm at today. So
I was just here before when a little kid asked me for a photo, man.
Yeah.
Is it pretty amazing?
Yeah, it is. Because I never thought I'd get to this, spot where I am, and I still got a lot of improvement. But it's good to see the future. The future of our game thriving, and I can't wait to hopefully play with them or play against them.
Ride on the MI. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the dream. Ayy, to the top with my whole team. Ayy, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Ayy, this is summer jam, I say it loud. Bounce to the vibe by women proud. Ayy, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Ayy, this is summer jam, I say it loud. Bounce to the vibe by women proud. Ayy, 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 ayy.
Talo Falava, my name is Manu Tafnu.
Tala Falava, I'm Lapi Mariner.
Yo, this is Lissi supporting the Western Chiefs today.
Hey guys, Tēnā whasau marawa here.
What's up, everybody? It's Justice Tooney here.
Q Legal, my lawyer.